Well, welcome back, guys. This isn't really me talking right now in the video. It's me talking in a recording to you. Yes. But yeah, I wanted to mention, check out some of the previous recent uploads. I did a 6-month review of this 2004 Saab 95, and I also did 2 other videos that could be really helpful to your Saab. One is modifications you can make to your car to really enhance the driving experience that Saab has to offer, and also a separate video that talked about suspension upgrades and modifications you can do to your car to really improve some of the driving characteristics and handling of the vehicle. Obviously, I'm going to be talking about replacing some suspension components in this video, and I did in the previous one, so that's a little bit separate from the modifications, so be sure to note that to self. So enjoy this video. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get at it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. If you haven't been following the channel, about 6 months ago, we've got this car, 2004 Saab 95. It had almost 200,000 miles on it, and at this point, we are past 200,000 miles. And it's been pretty, pretty uneventful the last 6 months. I mean, there's some things that happen, like a brake line failing or like the radiator failing and just little things like that. But outside those two main items, everything else in terms of work that was done to the car was all pretty much maintenance, rehab, normal wear and tear for an old car. So it's been pretty amazing, actually. But in today's video, we're going to go into this. I don't know what we're going to find because we're doing this live action with you on the camera. But we got a call yesterday that something was going on, so let's check it out, see what it is, see if I can, the scenario. And I still can't read the engine code lights because I still can't get the OBD port to work. I still haven't tried figuring it out. So if any of you out there watching this have any idea or inclination of what to do, I'm not getting any positive or negative power to the OBD, and I know all of you thinking check the fuse. I've checked all the fuses and I haven't found any fuse that was blown. So if you guys have any other suggestions, just drop a comment below. Stay tuned. We are early morning here, 7:20. Little cold start action for us. All right, it's idling a little funky. Interesting. To me, that seems like it could be the throttle body. Oh man. Whoa, guys. Granted, we've been ripping on this car. I mean, like the other day. Oh yeah, we got a flashing light. We had a flashing check engine light just now. We just had a check in. Whoa. I mean, guys, listen, the other day, my dad and I were driving separately to New York, and we were just tearing. He was ripping on this thing like a high schooler stole it. I was like, whoa, man, chill. I don't even drive this car like that. Anyways, it was fun. And then yesterday he called me explaining this scenario on the way home, and I said to him, I said, hey Dad, were you ripping on the car again? And he laughed. Or no, he goes, no, I laughed. He goes, man, not really, maybe nothing past 90. I'm like, okay. Oh man. So I suspect we had a flashing check engine light just now, so the Saab is officially down. And like I said, I can't read the check engine lights, so I don't know what to tell you, but I'm gonna turn it back on one more time for one more second and give you guys a little update here underneath the throttle bodies. See what the throttle body does. I found the issue. I found the issue. Found the issue. Whew. Wow. Looks like this vacuum line popped out. All right, let's try that again. Not sure why that vacuum line popped out. Oh man. Okay. Wow. Now, why did that pop out? I'm not sure. But it's not supposed to pop out. I think these things are a locking mechanism, so it doesn't pop. And apparently that is not functioning there. Huh. Alright, well the car's running good now. That was easy. Crazy, crazy. Alright, let's take this thing for a ride. Car's been idling here for a few minutes. We already got some heat in the engine. So what I'm gonna do real quick, I'll do it off camera, but I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna put some Teflon on that hose there. I'm not sure why the locking mechanism to the intake manifold is not functioning on that. That shouldn't be popping out. So I'm gonna put this around the tip to try to make it a little bit more secure in there so it doesn't just slide out. I'm not sure, maybe you just hit a bump and the thing popped out. Very weird. So glad I experienced this. I've never experienced it before, so something new, something learned. I'm surprised my father even made it home, because that vacuum line connects to the vacuum pump and also to the brake booster, so obviously brakes were probably not the 100%, but hey, he made it home, and so we're here. So let's go do this and we'll take it for a test ride. All right, so she's running good here. We got almost full temperature in the engine there, and that beautiful check engine light, which I still have no idea about. So we're just gonna take this thing for little rip skis down the road here. Yeah. Sorry about the sun in the camera there. But she's running good, guys. We are back up and running. Check all your vacuum lines, check all your secure points that lock those that brake booster line in. There's also another one of those functions on the check valve system that goes from the turbo inlet all the way back to the bypass system. So check that all out as well on these Saabs. Make sure they're running properly so they don't pop out. If not, like I just did, a little Teflon, tighten it in there, because there's not any force that's pushing it out. In this situation, probably just some vibration. Maybe my dad driving yesterday hit a massive bump and it just kind of popped out of place. Not normal, so just make sure you check out all those pieces. They're plastic, so of course this car's a little bit older than normal, than probably most of you watching. You probably still have under 200,000 in most cases. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, check that out. Here we are, we're back up and running. Nothing crazy, thankfully. In the next video, stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a full restoration on the front suspension on this car. We're gonna replace the lower control arms with new bushings and new ball joints. Not that all of the ball joints are bad. None of the ball joints are bad on the car, but the bushings are a little bit old. There's some play in there. And of course, we went in there, we're gonna put some new sway bar links as well as sway bar bushings. Some of the popping noises we're getting at slow speeds on the road here, especially in the cold weather, is linked to those sway bar bushings. So I went ahead and ordered everything. So for 200 bucks is I think roughly what it is. You know, we're just gonna replace all of the bushings and joints on the suspension, because you know, I don't know when it's been done, and you know, we're not really getting rid of this car anytime soon. So might as well have it run properly and with confidence, right? Since we road trip this thing, and that should be it. So stay tuned for that. And those parts start running in. Those parts start delivering today and finish up tomorrow. So I look forward to getting that done and content to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. A little quick upload for you. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. Follow me at Kyle Pancis if you guys have any questions and want to chat further. And of course, as always, give this video a like. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.